If you have a dog in your chart, this year is all about growth, clarity, and support. Really exciting. Pero bago po tayo magsimula, please remember, meron po kayong 4 na animals sa iyong chart. Meron po tayong year, month, day, and then the hour. Para malaman niyo po kung ano ang full natal chart niyo, please visit the link in the screen. At ipasok niyo lang po ang mga details ninyo para makuha niyo po ang iyong natal chart for free. Ayan, it's all for free access. And do share to others na yan. Ayan. So, ang first auxiliary star na pag-uusapan natin ay 3 stages. So, ano ibig sabihin nito? Promotion, level up, may mga progress sa iyong career o kaya sa negosyo para nagkakaroon siya ng room for expansion. Nice. Okay. Next auxiliary star is earth relief. Okay. Earth relief is madali ka makakuha ng support pagdating sa property. O kaya naman feeling mo na property nyo matagal nyo ng hindi nabebenta, mabebenta nyo na this year. O kaya naman if you've been trying to buy, this might be the year you'll be able to find a property that actually increase in value. Maganda yung opportunity na pwedeng pumasok pagdating sa 2026. Next naman is elegant seal. Okay, one of my personal favorite ito kasi it's all about creativity, yung intelligence ninyo, no? Parang mas madali po nyo ma-expand yung depth nito, yung wisdom grows further within 2026. Mas madali kayo makaprocess, no? And at the same time, it becomes something creative that you can actually share to others, no? Para mas maging additional information for others. Next na auxiliary star is Dragon Bull. Ito naman yung ability to speak up. Pag nagsalita ka, may eloquence, may dating. Oy, I think I feel like I'm being influenced, no? The way he speaks, marang na-influence. And that's one of the great strengths that anyone can actually have. Yung makapagsalita ka and influence others, to be an influencer, a positive one. So this year, it's actually a good year to develop that skill set in terms of speaking. Oo, baka makakuha tayo ng school that can help us further. Ayan, very. Okay, pwede ring writing. No? Next naman is Sky Bright. No? Ibig sabihin nito, parang mas madali kayo makakuha ng resources to solve your problems. Ay, another favorite of mine. Basta anything to do with problem solving, sign me up. Kasi nga, hindi naman tayo naubusan ng problema. Ang gusto natin, yung mga problema natin, madaling masolusyonan. No? So, this is definitely a good start to have for 2026. But before we continue, please download my free ebook, no? Prosper 26. Ayan, it's free. Please log in nyo lang po ang inyong email para matanggap nyo po ang free ebook. Meron po itong animal, day master, feng shui, even Chinese New Year, no? Pwede nyo malaman about dito sa ating ebook. So, ipasok nyo lang po ang email. Tapos, mada-download nyo na po ito. And on top of that, you get an invite sa aking Prosper event. And hopefully, I can see you there. No? Please join in the link para makapag-sign in po tayo. Ayan. Thank you. Now, going back to the auxiliary stars for the dog. Next auxiliary star that we have is the litigation. Ano ibig sabihin nito? Nako, kung hindi po tayo magbabasa ng mga documents, pwede tayo magkaroon ng demandahan, no? So, before we sign anything, make sure you double check the details ng inyong contract. Consult your lawyers, no? Before signing anything, please do not sign anything that you haven't read, reviewed, not to avoid this from happening. Another also na litigation, kumbaga, mainitin ang ulo at nadala kaagad ang sa emosyon hanggang sa nag-away-away hanggang sa it leads to legalities, no? So, make sure to practice diplomacy at all times. Next auxiliary star is year charm. Ito ay disturbances, emotional disagreement, no? Ito po ay pwede rin magdala ng mga legal entanglement o kaya naman ng pag-aaway kasi because of we take things personally, no? Yung mga disagreement that you are experiencing. Always practice this diplomacy. Hindi po lahat kailangan yung ipersonal, no? Kasi iba-iba ang mga pinagdadaanan ng ibang tao. Baka mamaya nabaling lang sa'yo. No? Next auxiliary star is flying charm. So, similar po ito sa litigation, no? Mga documents na mali o kaya naman hindi na-review ng tama. So, make sure any paper, document, anything that's important that has to pass through you, please do not move it forward na hindi nyo nababasa kasi baka ito ay mandala ng regret. Next auxiliary star is yellow flag. This leads to worries. Nag-worry ka sa mga things sometimes that's out of your control. Lalong-lalo na kung masyado kang nag-give in sa politics ngayon. madali ka maapektuhan. So, ang advice ko, huwag masyado manood ng news. Para hindi tayo maapektuhan kasi yung mga nararamdaman yung feelings, pwede itong magdala, no, ng negative implication sa pagdesisyon nyo tapos mag-lead to regret. Next auxiliary star is five ghosts. Naku, ito yung pinakaayaw ko talaga na auxiliary star. Kasi ang five ghosts is all about self-doubt, imposter syndrome, na parang feeling mo wala kang nang ginawang tama. Yan. Ang dahil doon, yung mga projects na sana gagawin mo, hindi mo na itutuloy. Kasi nga, nagkakaroon ka na lang self-doubt. Nako, oo. Huwag masyadong pinakikinggan ito, no? Ang tawag dyan, five ghosts. Pag nararamdaman mo, ito yung sinasabi ni Sophie, yung five ghosts. Stupid, no? I'm not gonna pay attention to you. Ayan. And the last option we start is the feeling head. This is all about decisions that's made through feeling stuck o kaya naman dadala kayo sa mga responsibility, no? Ayan. So, ang dog is all about finding grounding, no? At the same time, paying attention to things that matters. Kung hindi naman siya nagbibigay ng value sa'yo, ang pagbigyan ng pansin ito. Kasi this can only affect your emotional well-being, no? Focus on where you are going to grow. You can spend time with your family and so on and so forth, no? Yung mga social media and politics, di mo na kailangan mag-pay attention dyan. Ayan. So if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to register to my free calculator, sophiapachicalculator.com, o kaya naman download ang ating free ebook, Prosper 2026 free ebook, sophiarelosa.com. Ayan. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!